Hello everyone, welcome back to Nitya Cloudtech. Hope all of you are doing good. In our previous video, we have discussed about the visual label filter. In this video, we are going to discuss about the page label filter. So let's try to understand what exactly is page label filter. So page label filter, basically you may have multiple visuals on your page and you want to filter all the visuals on the specific condition. For that situation, you use page label filter. So let's try to create multiple visuals and try to see. So let me create visual visualization. So let's take this one stack bar chart and I want to see category and sales. Okay, now let's take another one. Another one is stack column chart. Again, I'm taking category and sales so that I will show you like visuals. All the visuals are changing based on the same filter. So I have took two in agent same and another two I will take again same. So let's say clustered bar chart, and now I'm taking region and sales. Similarly, I can use clustered column chart. Again, I can use here region and sales. I can search from here as well and select. Okay, now let me increase the size of this one. So let me minimize this one. Okay, so as I have already explained, for increasing size, you can go here and increase the size. Let's say 20, and here also 20, 20 and 20. Okay, so I have created 4 visual on one page. Now let's try to filter all of the visuals. So what I will do, I will click on this filter tab and let's take category agent filter. Okay, so if you see these two, technology, furniture and office supplies, technology, furniture and office supply, and this is filter on visual. No, I have to take filter on page here, filter on this page. Okay, so I have two options here, basic filtering and advanced. Let's first do basic filtering. So I only want to see sales of furniture and office supplies. So I will select here furniture and office. So see here, I have only two categories showing here. If I remove one more, so I have only furniture, and now I have furniture and technology. So whatever I will select here, all of my visuals will be impacted. So even if here category is not changing because we have some different column here, but if I choose the value, so value will be changed. So if you see now, best region sales is 5 lakh, but if I select office supplies, so sales will be increased 7 lakh. So like this page label filter visual will be impacted on each and every visual. So now let me take region because I have another for region. Okay, so if you see central west east south, central west east south, If I select best, so again I have only west and south. And if you see the sales, this will keep changing here as per you increase or decrease the value. Okay, so this is all about the page level filter, which is specific work on every visual on same page. Now I have second option here is subcategory, I can say advanced filtering. So let's say I want is south is empty contents start with, so I want start with S. Okay, and I don't want anything else, or that will, okay, I don't want this, don't want this. So actually I need to remove this because it is showing here. So what I can do, I can first do like this and advanced filtering, and then start with S. So if I click here on apply, see south and south. So region start with S, I have got this one. And region start with, I select W, so I will get best. So I have different advanced filtering option here, like is blank, is not blank, is empty, is not empty. So as per the requirement, I can select and use here. Okay, so I hope this would be helpful, guys. Thank you, everyone.